Welcome to this short video tutorial showing you how to submit your practical video assessment for marking. First of all, you'll need to record your practical assessment in line with our video assessment guidelines. A link to these is supplied on this page. Unfortunately, if your video doesn't meet these guidelines, our regulators will not allow us to grade it, so please do take the time to read these first. All video files need to be submitted as a private or unlisted YouTube video. Alternatively, you can use Vimeo if you'd prefer. Keeping these videos private or unlisted means that people on the internet won't be able to access them unless you share the link or password. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to use YouTube. So, once you've recorded your practical assessment and you're ready to have it assessed, you'll need to visit youtube.com and log in using your Google account credentials. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, simply click on the Create and Upload button, select your video file, and wait for it to upload. When the upload is complete, you'll need to set the visibility status to private or unlisted and save the video. Please note, if you do set the video as private, you will also need to provide the password for the video when you submit it for marking. Now the video is online, you'll need to provide us with the link so that we can assess your work. To do this, simply log in to LES and navigate to the relevant unit and element in your course. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're using a consultation as part of Level 2 online gym instructor course. Simply scroll to the bottom of the page and insert the YouTube URL for your video into the video box. Your assessment does need to be shot in a single take, so there should only be one file. But if you do need to supply more, then you can use the Add Another Link button to do so. If there is a password on your video, you will need to supply this in the comments box below. You will also need to attach supporting files, like screening forms, informed consent documents, the consultation form, and/or your evaluation and feedback from participants. You can do this using the file uploader here. If you are unsure about what you need to supply, feel free to call your support tutor. Remember, you can also find instructions above about what evidence you will need to supply. When you have uploaded your video file and supporting documents, select Save/Submit, and you're all set. We will endeavour to assess your video as soon as possible, but depending on the volume of submissions, this can take up to 4 weeks. Once your submission has been assessed, you'll be notified of your grade by LES. You'll also receive feedback and commentary from your assessor relating to the specific performance criteria for that assessment. If at any point you want to discuss this feedback, your support tutor will be more than happy to review this with you. Finally, in order to ensure that our assessors are operating in a standardized and uniformed manner, it is necessary for us to conduct internal quality assurance samples, or IQA, of all assessed work. Our awarding organizations, like YMCA Awards and Active IQ, may also want to sample your assessment once it has been graded. Therefore, it's necessary for the video file to remain accessible on YouTube or Vimeo until you receive your certificate. Please don't delete it before then, because we may not be able to certificate you if we cannot access the evidence. As always, if you need help with any part of your assessment preparations, please don't hesitate to reach out to your support tutor. After all, that's what they're there for. Thanks for watching, and good luck!